Vacationers, today we're in the Riviera Maya. We're visiting the Secrets Capri Hotel. I'm told this is the oldest and the original Secrets Capri. If you can verify this, you can comment down below. This hotel we think was established in 2003 by Secrets, but be it the oldest, it's the smallest, it's the most intimate, and it is true luxury with a beautiful white powder sand beach up front. Come on, let's go. Definitely does not skimp on the extras. Your rooms are appointed beautifully from bug spray to sunscreen to shampoo. Water is plentiful at this resort and the service is excellent.
Check-in is over here. It's champagne check-in. And the lobby bar is over to my right, and it's open till 11 p.m. Downstairs is the gym, sports bar, and Portofino Restaurant. The fountain is quite amazing. Now in this fountain there's at least 20 turtles that we have counted while we've been here. There could be more. If you know there's more, comment below. But as you can see, it's all decked out now for the holiday Christmas season. We're going to walk over towards the buffet and we will look over at the buffet.
Several other pre-prepared offerings. There's some beautiful seats right overlooking the pool, and the service is amazing.
Now, the buffet is fantastic. They have a crepe station, a juicing station where they make fresh green juices and other kind of juices for you, as well as an egg station where they're making omelets to order. As well as like any other buffet, they have quite a selection of both kind of North American and European fare, as well as quite a bit of traditional mix. The buffet overlooks the swimming pool in the middle of the resort, and right next door to the buffet is Coco's Cafe, where you can grab a macchiato, a cappuccino, a latte, and they have some snacks. And I think that's open most of the day. Now we have to bring you up to the upper level. There's a room here that's quite interesting, and on our first visit to this resort in 2012, we actually stumbled across this room, but it's the Room of Lanterns, or the Hall of Lanterns, and you have to check it out. It's kind of a neat feature.
Welcome to the spectacular gym. Last time we were here in 2012, they didn't have much of the light fitness equipment, although they had a good selection of cardio and free weights. But we were fortunate enough to find not only some great light fitness equipment, which gave us a fantastic workout, but all the extras. So we've got kettlebells, and we've got ropes, and we've got everything you need to have a complete workout.
Across the bridge is the Oceana and the Seaside Grill. The Seaside Grill has some mean steaks, or their prime rib is actually a ribeye. It's amazing. It's so tender. Now, if you go to Seaside, ask for Martin. He'll hook you up and he'll give you some great treatment. We're gonna go across to the two grills.
Breakfast or lunch. The tacos are amazing, especially the shrimp tacos. And the best thing that I found was the Caesar salad. Shrimp Caesar salad is to die for. It's a must on your journey here. the beach. It's white, powder, sand, gorgeous. It's amazing to walk for miles. In this direction you can go to a lagoon. It's a short 20-minute walk probably. And in the other direction, in 2012, we walked all the way to Playa Park. I'm not sure if you can still do that. Some of the beaches have eroded when we were last here, although this one is really beautiful still. Today's a really windy day, and most days are not quite this rough, but the water is extremely blue. You can see your toes on a calmer day. Certainly worth the beach time.
One of our favorite things about this resort is the lunches they make by the poolside. Actually, particularly incredible are the hamburgers. So if you're here, grab a burger. We were remiss on this vacation. We were only here for 5 days this time, but we didn't try the Japanese restaurant. So this is where you enter the Japanese, and it's actually downstairs from the lobby. And around the corner from that, you'll find a little bit of shopping in the resort, so you can bring some gifts home. Here's some of the shops you can take a quick peek in. And if you run out of cash and don't want to use plastic, there is an ATM in the lobby area for the little stores. Now, we've heard that the fees or the taxes the state puts on the use of ATM are high. We didn't use the ATM while we were here, so I don't really know if that's true, but if you do know, please comment below and tell us whether the fees are normal, or what you might find in the States or Canada. This is the Portofino Restaurant, the Italian. It was quite incredible. One of our favorite things about this resort, and we mentioned that we've been here once before, is the Spanish architecture and design. Before Secrets bought this resort, it was owned by another company, and one of the reasons Secrets supposedly bought this resort was the style and the older world look. And so for the rest of the video, we're going to tool you around to look at some of the furniture. We love the furniture here and the design of the hotel.